Good morning, guys. This is Miss Ana Luisa Bermea, and we're on fifth grade. Welcome to my class. Today, we will work on our language book. So get ready. You will need your notebook and workbook. Sorry, workbook. We will work today on past tense. I want you to copy this on your notebook. Always write on red the day, Friday, January 21st, 2021. And the titles will be on blue, past tense. Let's read. A verb that shows that something has already happened is in the past tense. Let's read the example. Gino liked his grandmother's story. So the word liked is the past tense. Okay? Use a highlighter. The verb like is in the past tense. It tells that the action in the sentence happened before now. Usually the past tense of a verb is formed by adding ed. I want you to underline the word ed, these two letters. However, some verbs must go under a spelling change before using the ed. Okay? Let's continue. Past tense. We have some rules here to form the past tense. For most verbs, we add the ed. Okay, I want you to look at the examples. Play, play. Suggest, suggest. Talk, talk. Work, work. Okay, those are some examples. Verbs ending in E. I want you to underline this letter, okay? Verbs ending in E, you drop the final E and then ED, okay? Ending in E means que terminan en E. Believe, believed. Hope, hope. Joke, joked. Okay? Verbs ending with a consonant and Y. And Y. Underline the letter Y. You change the Y to an I and then you add ED. Story, study, study it. Hurry, hurry it. Worry, worry it. Fry, fried. Now, one syllable verbs. That means verbs that has only one syllable. Clap, stop, plan, mop. Okay? You will double the final consonant and add ed. Double means poner dos veces la última consonante. That's double the consonant. Like stopped, you write two times the letter P. Plan, you write two times the letter N. Plan. Okay? Mop. Okay? Okay, this is the first activity, activity 1. Okay? I want you to write it in a different page, please. Write the date, Friday, January 21st, 2021. Write the title on blue, past. Now, these are the instructions. What is the past tense of a verb? Now, following the rules on the page before that we see already, you will write the past in front of these words like watch, watched. That means that this verb follows the first rule. Now, cry. Cry goes on rule number 3. You will change the Y to an I and add ED. Cried. Now, the word store, almacenar, store ends with the letter E. So that means this verb goes on to the second rule, verbs ending with E. You drop the E and add ED, stored. Okay? And then let's go to verb number 7, sip. Sip is one syllable verb, so you double the consonant, you write another P and add ED, sipped. Okay? So I want you to write these verbs on your notebook. In front of them, you will write the verbs in past. Activity 2. Write the title and the date. write the past tense form of each verb in parentheses, okay? Number one is done already. Joe blank this story about pirates. Now, the word share and the past tense of this verb is dropping the E and adding ED. And the verb form in past is shared. So you will say, Joe shared this story about pirates. So you have to follow the same instructions on the box for forming past tense, okay? A long time ago, a cheap blank a lot of gold. The word carry, the verb carry, ends with Y. So that means that goes under rule number 3. You will change the Y to an I. Carry it. In those days, heavy storms blank many ships. You have the word destroy, okay? Now, on the word destroy, there's a special rule. Verbs ending with a Y and a vowel before, you don't change the Y. You just add ED, okay? One day, a band of pirates blank the ship. They blank the gold and bury it. They blank a map showing the gold's location. Years later, the captain's son found the map and blanked it. He blanked the treasure from his father's ship. Okay, now I want you to go to your workbook plus. This is on page 46. Let's read the instructions. Complete each sentence by writing the past tense form of the verb in parentheses. It's the same that we did on our notebooks, okay? Eric blank about colonist class while visiting Williamsburg. And the verb is learn. And we add ed, learned. Okay? The colonists blank their own soap. Produced. This and with e, you drop the e and add ed. Produced. They blank ashes from their fireplace. They used. You drop the E and add ED. Number 4. They blank water through ashes. Sorry. Water through the ashes in a barrel. Pour. And then you add ED. The brown water blank out through a hole near the bottom. Drip. Think which rule you may use to write the past form. People blank this liquid Lyle, call, which is the rule you will follow with this verb. The woman blank the Lyle in a kettle. The verb is cook. Which rule will you follow? They added fats and grease blank from their cooking supply. Pay attention to the verb. The mixture blank into a jelly that they use for soap turn. Okay, let's go to the next page. No, it's in the same page, sorry. Letter B. You will use proofreading marks to correct 7 past tense. That means that you will locate 7 errors. Okay. Today we made soap. 4 days in advance we plan and prepare. In that line you have 1 error. We carried firewood and water, and we washed and dried the kettles. And there you have 3 mistakes. Okay? This morning, mother boiled the liquid and we stirred it when the soap, and right there you have 2 mistakes. Okay? And let's read last line. And the soap was ready. Mother placed it into a big pan. It was still soft when it cooled, and you will identify 1 error. Okay, last page, past tense. The year is 2588. You have just returned from a time machine trip back to 2001. While you were on your trip, you took pictures of the machines that people used in 2001. Explain how the people use these machines and write a sentence for each picture. Use a different past tense verb in each sentence. You cannot repeat the same verb. Okay? So you will tell me what is the girl doing in the picture. And you will use a past tense. Okay? Like she turned the TV on. Or she looked the screen. Okay? You have to use 6 different verbs. And that will be it. And remember, every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. And the good thing today is having you as my students. I love you a lot. Have a nice day. Goodbye.